Lots of little leaks have sprung up over the years. It's not uncommon to get called to a classroom and for a light leak, but hopefully with the new roof we'll be able to, we won't have those issues anymore. That work actually started, the work to replace our roof started, I believe kids left on Tuesday. By Wednesday morning when summer started, those trucks were pulling into the parking lot. So that process began as soon as summer started. They've been going all summer. We've had a lot of rain this summer, so it's been particularly impressive to see how fast they were able to move through the project.
Following the day after school got out, we immediately began working on Mosaic. Slated to have new windows, HVAC, and then also a couple other updates, including new ceilings in several of the rooms here at Mosaic. As you can see throughout the building, we were able to have new windows and then also new HVAC systems. So what this is going to provide for the building, for our students, and for the staff is that, for one, it's going to be more efficient. The older windows didn't really retain heat, didn't retain the cool air, and so it will definitely be, in terms of climate control in the building, more comfortable for our students and for our staff. Even before Mosaic was discussed, became an additional school in the district, St. John's building was slated to get this work done through the 5-year capital plan.
Summer we had the elevator cab and all the mechanicals completely replaced. The original elevator was put in probably back in the 60s or 70s. It was original to the building and it was just past its useful lifetime. We do have some students that access the different levels with wheelchairs, so in order to let them be part of the school, we have to have, it's mandatory that we have something there so that they can do all the same things that the rest of their peers and friends are doing.
You'll see as you come into this new school year that we will have resurfaced and restriped all of the parking lot areas, which is hugely important, obviously, as we update and take care of some of the sealing and things that will help those surfaces last and be in better repair. But also for us as a school community, it allows us to stripe and number so that as we welcome back our huge staff and all of our students, they have specific dedicated areas to park, including our ADA compliant places here on our campus. So we're really excited about that.
So our bleachers are being repaired and replaced this summer. They started by ripping out our old bleachers, and now they've started demoing the concrete. In the next couple weeks they'll start laying new concrete and putting in all new aluminum bleachers. The concrete was starting to get old and crack in a couple places, so definitely a safety issue. We want to make sure that we replace that as soon as we could, and it's going to just really update our facilities. Right now the goal is the start of the fall sports season. Our first home games aren't until late August.